how to add USDT to Phantom Wallet. Now, first of all, you need to buy the USDT in order to add it to your wallet. So how to do that? So we have two ways to buy the USDT on our wallet. Now, first way is by tapping on buy like that. And now from the search bar, now you can search for USDT like that. Now, as you can see, after you find your USDT, now select which one that you want. For example, if you want USDT under the Solana network, you can select it. Or if you want to see USDT in under the Ethereum, you can select it, or under the Polygon network. Now, I suggest to select the USDT under the Solana network. So after you find your USDT that you want to buy, now here you can type how much you want to buy like that. As you can see, I want to buy like $100. $100 of it. Now, after that, now tap on debit card or credit card. Now, after you tap on it, now as you can see here, you now find the providers that you can buy the USDT from. So select one of these providers. For example, the Unlimited. I will just select the Unlimited because they said that they have the lowest price. Now, after you've just selected, now you can tap on buy. Now, what you have to do, they will redirect you to MEXC crypto. So as you can see here, just wait a few seconds. And as you can see here, now if you want to change your currency, you can tap on USD like that. And now you can just select your currency or your local currency. So after you select your currency, what you need to do, it is as simple. Just tap on continue like that. And now you can provide the email address, and after that you can confirm the transaction, and now you can buy the USDT and add it to your wallet. Now, the second way that you can buy the USDT with, it's by tapping on the search icon, as you can see. Now after that, they will show you this page. Now just scroll down a little bit and you will find the trending websites or trending sites. Now select Jupiter and tap open. Now, as you can see, here you can buy the USDT. So how to do that? Now, first of all, we need to connect to our wallet. So from the top right corner, you see the connect, as you can see. Now tap on it. Now, as you can see, tap on view more wallets. And now select the Phantom wallet that you want to connect to Jupiter. So after that, what you need to do, just go back to spot like that. And now from here, you can buy the USDT. Now, first of all, from the setting, select the Solana and make sure that you have funds on. So after you select it, from the buy-in, now you can select the USDT that you want to convert your Solana to. So after you select the USDT, as you can see, now you can type how much you want to convert. For example, you want to convert 10 Solana to USDT. So after that, just tap on swap here and you can buy the USDT. Now after that, now you can add the USDT to your Phantom wallet. So how to do that? Just go back to home, as you can see. Now scroll down. If you can't find the USDT here, as you can see, now you can just search it from here. And as you can see, or just tap on search and now you can search for the USDT like that. So after you find it, you can now enable it to be able to see it on your home of your wallet. Now, as you can see, this is how to add USDT to Phantom wallets. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.